Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Microsoft To Do for daily task planning step by step clearly. Begin by downloading and installing Microsoft To Do from the Microsoft Store or your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. After signing in, you'll be greeted with a clean interface displaying default lists and suggestions. To start planning your daily tasks, click on the My Day section. This area allows you to focus on tasks for the current day. To add a new task, locate that Add a Task field at the top of the screen. Type in your first task and press Enter to save it. For additional tasks, repeat this process as needed. To specify due dates, click on the task you just created. Select the due date option and choose the desired date from the calendar. You can also set reminders by selecting the Remind Me option. Here, pick a specific time for your reminder to alert you about the task. If you want to organize tasks further, consider creating lists for different categories. To do this, navigate to the sidebar and click on the new. Name your list and hit Enter to save. Now, you can drag and drop tasks into the appropriate lists for better organization. To prioritize tasks, you can mark them as important by clicking on the star icon. This helps you identify your high-priority tasks at a glance. Utilize the Plan section to view tasks with upcoming due dates. This gives you a clear overview of your responsibilities for the week. If a task is recurring, click on the task and select the Repeat option. Choose how often you want the task to repeat daily, weekly, or monthly. To enhance productivity, consider using the My Day feature every morning. Spend a few minutes adding tasks that you want to focus on for the day. At the end of the day, review what you've completed and adjust tasks as needed. If collaborating with others, you can share lists by clicking on the list name and selecting Share List. Enter the email addresses of your collaborators to invite them. Finally, regularly check your app settings to customize notifications and themes according to your preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.